A delegation of the newly elected Board of Directors of the Pakistan Business Council, Dubai, called on Ambassador Faisal Tyrmizi at the Embassy of Pakistan in Abu Dhabi today. The delegation was led by Mr. Shabir Merchant. During the meeting, the delegation of Pakistan Business Council presented their vision and strategy in enhancing the business-to-business relationship between Pakistan and the UAE. They also sought Embassy's support in materializing their vision. Ambassador Tirmizi congratulated the new board of directors and assured them of the support of Embassy of Pakistan in strengthening economic and trade relations between Pakistan and the UAE. Rabia Ashraf, Amarat News, Dubai.